Let's look at the best ways to get doTERRA products for the lowest price. Consider creating your own wholesale account. When you have your own account, you can purchase product at a wholesale price, giving you 25% off retail pricing. You may also want to enroll in our Loyalty Rewards Program, LRP. Here, you will collect points for participating in a customizable recurring monthly order. These points can be cashed in for doTERRA product. In other words, when you sign up for the Loyalty Rewards Program, you are signing up to receive free products. Loyalty Rewards points accumulate from each LRP order that you place with a minimum of 50 PV. You will start earning points back at 10% of your PV. The percentage will grow every quarter until you reach a maximum of 30% back in points. Plus, when you place your order online, you will also earn 100% of your shipping costs back in points. The perks don't stop there. You can also participate in our Product of the Month Club. Place a Loyalty Rewards order with 125 or more PV by the 15th of the month, and we will send you our Product of the Month for free. You are not required to place an order of 50 PV or more each month. As long as your order is at least 1 PV, you will maintain your accumulated points. So, let's review. A minimum order of 1 PV maintains your accumulated points. A minimum order of 50 PV awards up to 30% of your PV as points to your account. A minimum order of 100 PV earns you commissions. Wellness advocates only. A minimum order of 125 PV earns you the free Product of the Month if placed by the 15th. The Loyalty Rewards Program truly rewards people with products they want and need in their everyday life. Our mission is to change the world one drop, one person, one community at a time.